This is a Toyota 86, one of the cheapest, lightweight, rear-wheel drive coupes available on the market today. Ever since this car was launched, it quickly became extremely popular among car enthusiasts. Let's see how it is to drive the most exciting Toyota currently on the market and why so many car enthusiasts decide to buy this car. The 86 is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder NA Boxer engine, which makes 205 horsepower and 156 pound-feet of torque, available at 6400 RPM. Yeah, you heard it right, 6400 RPM. This motor laughs when you rev it, and since it's a Boxer, it sounds fantastic at high RPM. Due to its high revving nature, the engine wakes up around 3500 RPM and gets going up to almost 8000 RPM. The 6-speed manual transmission is precise and the clutch is easy to operate. You can also get a 6-speed automatic, but please don't do that. It will kill the character of this car. Thanks to the Boxer engine, the car has low center of gravity, and you can feel that as soon as you get going. The 86 is incredibly balanced. It has near perfect 56-44 weight distribution, plus there is no such thing as a body roll. The suspension is firm and it's set for sport-oriented driving, but you can still daily drive this car. With the traction and stability control on, the car will stay stable and predictable, but when you turn them off, it will make the 86 tail happy and allow you for controllable drifts, thanks to a standard limited slip differential. It is extremely easy to control this car, even when you lose the grip, since its remarkable steering is very precise and provides a lot of feedback. The brake pedal may seem a little bit weird at first, but once you get used to it, it will allow you to modulate the braking power very accurately. The seating position, just like in proper sport car, is great. You literally sit a few inches above the road. The seats themselves are very supportive and surprisingly comfortable. The materials used inside aren't top-notch, but the fit and finish are on a high level. The Alcantara inserts throughout the cabin without a doubt improve this interior. I also have to mention the steering wheel. Its size and thickness are just right. The Toyota 86 is a fantastic old-school car, and since it's easy to drive, it is a great option for those who want to begin their journey with a rear-wheel drive sport cars. It will allow you to learn how physics work when you drive the car aggressively, what oversteer is and how to control it. The prices of the 86 start at $27,175 for the base model.